Hello, this is Wolf Outdoor Review here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the GoPro Media Mod Light. This is a GoPro light that's pretty good and could also be used tactically if you needed it to. I think that if you're going to buy this, you may end up having a pretty good light that if you find a standardized camera hot shoe mount, you could figure out a way to put that on a pinicky rail. This is a small light you could throw on the bottom of a pistol if you wanted. I think that it would make a great, excellent light for that. It's waterproof down to like 50 meters. It's GoPro. And this part comes off, so, you know, you can use it as a bike light, a GoPro light, throw it on a Nikon camera since it fits standard hot shoes. It comes with a diffuser. It comes with strobe mode. It comes with different power levels. You can blind someone. You can go from like very dim if you're doing like want to conceal your night vision stuff. You can do all sorts of stuff. It comes with that. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First things first, we're going to cut the lights and show you what this thing's capable of. Starting off, you have, you have to hold down to turn off. So first, you have dim. Dim's pretty good, and like I said, this on the bottom of a Glock would be kind of cool. So you either 3D print the part or maybe they make a hot shoe mount so you can put something on the bottom of a pistol. I mean, most lights, obviously, with pistols are expensive. You're spending $156 for your standard stream light. So why not get one that's better? Because you have level 1, level 2, level 3, strobe, which, you know, would be good for clearing rooms, shock absorber, and then you triple tap and you get this super bright mode, and that's just with that. So that was with the diffuser. Here's it one more time. You have 1, 2, 3 strobe, and you could see it's just going crazy. You really think you can see what you're doing if this is pointed at you with a firearm? I can't even look at it. So, and then you've got this burns for like 20 seconds, so if you need high power. Of course, it's not really actuatable with a pistol unless you have one hand there, and then you're not napping it with the thing. So yeah, it just turned off, so we'll let that run just to show you how long the extra bright lasts. Depending on charge, it turns off pretty quickly, of course. This is the best one, this low light, which still works pretty well. So that's why I figured it'd be a good tactical light. And you could, if you have a 3D printer, you can do anything you want. But, you know, if you have this, you could maybe modify this to be a night vision mount. Put it on the side of your ACH, you know, it's a budget ACH light. You use it with your GoPro, with filming. So for me, it's kind of a do-all, end-all thing. You can use it in conjunction with this, which I just did a review on, and the tool it comes with, which takes standard hot shoe to GoPro, and you have a bike light. So there's plenty of different things you can do with these. It just takes a little imagination. I just thought I'd do a quick review on it, see what you guys thought about it. Yeah, so with the light brightness settings out of the way, we will go more into the hardware. So first of all, it's a waterproof down to 50 meters, standard GoPro waterproofness. Of course, with a media mod, that doesn't matter because that leaves your GoPro open and vulnerable to water, so you'd have to get the special, like, Ulanzi cage if you are doing this with the GoPro to make it waterproof. Otherwise, as you saw, it's good filming light. You get pretty good lighting, even with, compared to this, you could still see it. So it's a different color. It's more of a blue light than this Craftsman light, which I use for filming. So yeah, and then even then, you know, the brightest mode's actually significantly outlined compared to this enormous contractor light. So yeah. All right, so yes, as you can see here, it says GoPro on the side, and it has a light telling you the battery level. You hold down for like 5 seconds, turn off. It's got a hot shoe mount and a tension part down at the bottom. On the bottom, it tells you a bunch of stuff like do not throw away. It says LED lamp, Lamara LED. It says 8 p.m. I think 13 p.m. It's 5 volt to 13 watts. Yeah, that's all I can really read out of it. It's powered by Litra, L-I-T-R-A. And yeah, so when it comes to charging, you have a nice cute little side port. I don't know what this QR code does. Maybe it takes you to their manual. See if I can't get that to load. So if you want to do it, you can. Yeah, so if you have a secondary phone and you watch this on a tablet, if you want to scan it, go ahead. And you see what that pulls up. Hopefully. If it loads anyway. Yeah, well, there you go. So, there's that. As you can see here, it's a Type-C charger, and it's got a waterproof silicone. There's a good thing for your phone to use. So, if you want to use that. It's got a spring door, which is kind of cool. Dust cover / waterproofness. I think it's waterproof down to 10 meters. I have no clue. Standard water GoPro depth, because they want the stupidest GoPro person to be able to realize it goes to the same depth as a GoPro, I think, without the super suit, of course. Then you've got that. I'll let you pause the video if you want to read that. Then it says GoPro's address, something 06 Clearview Way, San Monaco, California. So, then that's... I'm not sure what this does. I don't think it's broke. Oh, this must like take that hot shoe adapter off or something. I'm not sure. And I see these and I'm not even sure what those do either. Unless you put it like a strap, or like a bra strap type piece of thing through it if you make this into a headlamp or something. So there's a lot of things on here. I have no clue what they do. So, yes, sorry if I can't answer all your questions. And then you've got GoPro logo, like I said, the side opening X part. The top part, when you click to turn on it green. And yeah, so there's that. You've got the jelly. This is silicone. It goes on here with a cutout, as so. And most people recommend you put like something like a fishing line on here somehow. Somehow you secure this so it doesn't fall off. If you do end up finding a way to secure this to a firearm, you want to make sure that if you want this, you keep it on. Of course, you wouldn't be able to holster it, but this would be like something else. I've just thrown out ideas. You could probably get away with it even easier on an AR. But the point is, you know, if you can budgetize this on the back of a Glock, you should be pretty good. I'm not sure, what size holsters you could get away with for that. Regardless, you're looking at 4 centimeters. Or less than 4, more than 4, I don't know. And then including the part there, you're looking at about 2.5 centimeters. Without it, you're looking at about, I don't know. See if there's an easier measurement system. Nope. 1 inch-ish with the thing, so that's the measurements for that. And like I said, this is you can throw this on your standard GoPro things. But yeah, so if you would behave, that would be great. There you go. Hey, watch it. Alright, so then you have this here. Zoom out. So how this works is, I think that bottom part, or maybe, yeah, the bottom part must, no, sorry. There's this part here that moves. That keeps it in when you put it in. This is the from hot shoe to GoPro mount, because the media mod use hot shoes, so you can put any hot shoe brand light on. So you go like that. Well, it comes out with force, but for most part, you're not going anywhere. And then, yeah, you could throw it on here, on this, which this is the last video. This is the GoPro Pro pull mount seat bar handle post mount. If you threw that on here, you would have a bike light. If you threw it on your head, GoPro standard head mount, you'd have a headlamp. If you threw it on a chest mount, you'd have a chest light. With the GoPro, you'd have a filming rig set up. If you threw it on a hand mount, you'd have like this dive hand light. So there's lots of fun things. Biggest thing I recommend to people who buy this, if they do, find a way to secure this, because if you're underwater and this thing floats off, I don't know what silicone does underwater. I would assume sink. So you like maybe use a tiny rubber band, or solder. Take an awl and put it underneath a piece of wood, or put a needle through it, and then fishing line that part to dummy cord it to there. I'm not sure, but as you can see, you'd put that into your GoPro mount and then put that down. And yeah, it's a pretty good light, I would say. I've used it for quite a few times. Whereas the last video where I used the Nebo Slim Plus, that's my current EDC light, but I carry this around because I own a GoPro, and so when I need a small light for a quick second to check something, this is a good light. So hopefully that answered all your questions. If you have any more questions on the light, let me know. I'll try to put how much they go for in the comments, the MSRP. And yeah, that'll be just a quick review of the GoPro medium mod light mod. Yeah, so remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, all that fun things. If you'd like to email me, you can email me at wolfoutdoorreview@gmail.com. It'll be in the comments as well. And enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah, if you have any comments or questions, you can either email me or comment. Yeah, so I'll try to do more light reviews later on, where I do an outside review. So yeah, but I just thought I had some time, so all the last few videos were filmed in the same day, so I just did a bunch of quick reviews of stuff. So hopefully you like them and enjoyed. And yeah, like I said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.